Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Device Manager as an administrator. This gives you full control. Once done, locate the specific device, network adapter, or USB controller are common. Make sure you write down the exact device name and driver version so you can restore settings if needed. Now right-click the device and choose Properties. If the Power Management tab is missing, you will proceed to update or reinstall drivers and adjust registry keys. Do not skip the recorded info because it prevents confusion later. You should next try updating the driver. Choose Update Driver and allow Windows to search automatically, then try browsing your PC for a manufacturer's package. If updates fail, uninstall the device. Check Delete Driver software only if you have an alternate driver ready. Once uninstalled, reboot so Windows reinstalls a fresh driver. If Power Management still missing, install the official driver from the vendor. Rollback is effective if a recent update removed the tab. Use it when the old driver previously showed the option. If drivers don't restore the tab, you'll edit the registry. Export the relevant key first so you can undo changes. Navigate to the device class under HKLM/system/current control set and adjust device power policies or enable power policies values to allow power management. Use exact values from vendor guidance. After saving, reboot and run PowerCog/requests to diagnose power locks. Then reopen Device Manager and the device properties to confirm the Power Management tab appears. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.